artificial intelligence is complicated, they think you need special prompts, perfect wording, or secret formulas just to get useful answers. That belief is the biggest lie being spread about AI today. In reality, AI is powerful because it adapts to how humans naturally think and speak. You don't need to become a technician, you need to become a communicator. The people who get the best results from AI are not those who obsess over tricks, but those who use it frequently and naturally. AI is not a machine that demands perfection. It is a system that learns from interaction. Once you understand that, everything changes. The problem is that most beginners never get past their fear. They assume they will break something or ask the wrong question. But the truth is, the only way to fail with AI is to not use it at all. Lesson 1. Stop overthinking. How to talk to AI. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to speak to AI like a machine. They carefully structure every sentence, worrying that one wrong word will ruin the answer. That mindset comes from old technology. Modern AI understands natural language incredibly well. You can speak casually, change your mind, or even get confused, and it will still understand your intention. In fact, speaking naturally often produces better results. You should talk to AI the same way you would talk to a smart assistant sitting next to you. This removes friction and makes you more likely to use it. The more often you interact with AI, the more valuable it becomes. Overthinking slows you down. Simplicity keeps you moving. AI does not need perfection. It needs input. Lesson 2. Use voice. Instead of typing. Most people avoid AI because they feel lazy about typing. That small friction is enough to stop them from using one of the most powerful tools ever created. That is why voice input changes everything. When you speak to AI, it becomes effortless. You can ask questions while walking, working, or thinking out loud. You don't need to structure anything. You just talk. This unlocks the true power of AI because it lets you use it in real time. The faster you can ask questions, the faster you can solve problems. Voice turns AI into a thinking partner instead of a typing exercise. When AI becomes easy to use, you start using it constantly. That is where the real advantage appears. Lesson 3. Memory makes AI exponentially smarter. When AI remembers you, it becomes far more powerful. Instead of starting from zero every time, it begins to understand your goals, your habits, and your preferences. This allows it to give answers that feel personalized and intelligent. Many users never activate memory, which means they are only using a fraction of AI's potential. With memory enabled, AI becomes more like a personal assistant than a search engine. It learns what you care about. It adapts to how you think. That is what makes it feel almost human. If you want generic answers, leave memory off. If you want real insight, turn it on. And when you need privacy, you can always use temporary chats. Control gives you both power and safety. Lesson 4. Give context like you would to a human. AI cannot read your mind. It only knows what you tell it. That is why context is everything. When you give more information about your situation, your goals, and your limitations, the answers become dramatically better. If you say you have a limited budget, the strategy changes. If you say you are a beginner, the advice becomes simpler. This is exactly how humans work too. The more someone knows about you, the better they can help you. AI is the same. You don't need to be technical, you just need to be honest and detailed. When you explain your situation clearly, AI becomes far more useful. The quality of your answers always reflects the quality of your input. Lesson 5. Use structured prompts. When it really matters most of the time, you can talk to AI casually and get great results. But when the task becomes serious, business decisions, scripts, strategies, or problem solving, structure becomes powerful. One of the most effective frameworks is role, task, context, and format. First, you tell AI who it should act like. Then you tell it what to do. Then you give it detailed background information. Finally, you tell it how you want the answer delivered. This forces the AI to think clearly before responding. It also prevents vague or generic output. When you combine natural conversation with simple structure, you unlock a level of precision most users never reach. You stop getting average answers and start getting strategic ones. Lesson 6, use AI to improve your own prompts. You do not need to be an expert prompt writer. AI can do that for you. One of the most powerful techniques is meta-prompting, which means asking AI to improve the prompt you just wrote. You give it your question and ask it to rewrite it using the best prompting techniques. This allows you to benefit from expert-level prompt design without learning it yourself. Over time, you will start to recognize patterns in better prompts, but even if you never do, AI will still improve them for you. This creates a feedback loop where every interaction becomes sharper. You are not guessing anymore. You are refining. Lesson 7. Choose the right AI model for the job. Not all AI models think the same way. Some are fast and simple. Others are slower but more analytical. For everyday writing, quick models are perfect. For deep reasoning, strategy, or problem solving, reasoning-based models work better. The key is understanding when to switch. If you need creativity and speed, use a lightweight model. If you need thinking and structure, use a reasoning model. You do not need to use every option available. In most cases, one or two models will handle everything you do. The mistake beginners make is assuming one model fits all. Professionals treat AI like a toolbox, not a single tool. Lesson 8. Understand AI's weaknesses. AI is powerful, but it is not perfect. It sometimes gives wrong information with full confidence. This is called hallucination. It can also be easily influenced by how a question is asked. If you push it in a certain direction, it will often agree with you. That means AI is not a judge. It is a mirror. It reflects what you give it. This is why blind trust is dangerous. AI should assist your thinking, not replace it. When you use it for facts, always verify. When you use it for decisions, challenge it. Treat AI as a highly intelligent but very agreeable assistant. It will help you move faster, but only if you stay in control. Lesson 9. Always ask the same question. Multiple ways. One of the best ways to use AI is by iteration. You ask the same question in different ways, in different chats, or using different models. Then you compare the answers. Patterns appear, errors disappear, insights become clearer. This works because AI is influenced by wording. When you vary the wording, you see the full picture instead of one biased angle. Professionals do this constantly. They cross-check AI just like they would cross-check humans. This is how you turn AI from a guessing machine into a thinking partner. The more angles you test, the more accurate the final answer becomes. Lesson 10. AI multiplies you. It does not replace you. AI does not replace intelligence. It multiplies it. If you are lazy, AI makes you faster at being lazy. If you are curious, AI makes you unstoppable. The people who get the most value from AI are not those who rely on it blindly. They are the ones who question it, refine it, and push it. AI is not a decision maker. It is a thinking accelerator. When you combine human judgment with machine speed, you get something incredibly powerful. That is the real future of AI. Not replacement, but amplification. If you want to stay ahead in the AI era, subscribe, share this video with someone who needs it, and comment below which lesson changed how you see artificial intelligence. Because the people who learn to use AI today will control tomorrow.